Day. So they are cats.
Today is Christmas.
Today is Christmas out our country. Everywhere's country. And this country is pretty cool. You could breathe and stuff.
Okay, Joey. The earth could breathe, okay?
Yeah. These cats
Okay, I'm back.
want to come.
I'll talk to my brother.
When they have a party like that,
I'll talk to my brother. Do this.
Wow. they go like that. They go like that. Then they go up again. Then they go up. And up. And they go up again, having a party. So this cat's having a party. Watch. Let's keep flying up. Actually, you can see it too. Watch. See that? When you want to see that too, watch. So this is like that. So watch this. That's how it goes. And it goes meow, meow, meow. So guys, this is the baby cat having a party now.
Wait,
Huh?
what green should I use? This green or that green?
How about this green? I know.
So I'm going to pick it all because we're going to use it all.
Can we talk to them? Since we are doing makeup, he's gonna have to do his eyebrows and stuff, got to do his lips, got to do all kinds of stuff. Because that who got to do kinds of stuff every day. To do his makeup and stuff. You see, there's rooms everywhere for makeup. There's room for your body.
Okay. As you can see the eye. How about like
So guys, I see you later. Bye bye.